Mga tips sa aspiring applicant ng security guard para sa barko. Para sa lahat ng mga aspirants security guard sa barko, ito po ang interview at mga sagot para sa final interview ng principal sa barko. Number 1. Tell me something about yourself. Sir, my name is John. I am from Philippines. I have 2 years experience as a security guard in Tiger Security Agency in Philippines. Why you want to join our company? Answer. Sir, it is a great opportunity for everyone to be a part of the reputed company like yours. When I read about your company, I found it is the best platform for my career growth. My skills are suitable in your requirements. I am sure I will utilize my skill to contribute to the company growth. Number 3. What is your strengths? Answer. Sir, I am a person who can adapt and work in any environment. I am the honest, flexible, and positive attitude toward my career and my company. Number 4. Why I hire you? Answer. Sir, ma'am, I have tremendous experience related to the security field. I have satisfied all the requirements of this job. I always sincere with my task and to take care of company reputation. I suitable this position. I will not let you down anyway, and you will not regret to hire me as a security guard in your company. Number 5. What you had to do when you was a security? Answer. I work as a mall security where I had to make sure protection of people, property, and information. My daily duty complies with standard operating procedure, including access control, traffic control, patrolling, handling the phone or radio, and manage the events, etc. Part 2. Para sa interview sa cruise ship. Number 6. What do you do in case of emergency? Answer. Sir, I always do my duty with a plan to deal with the emergency. I remain calm, ask for help, call my supervisor, use the available resources, and follow up the plan. Number 7. What the access control? Answer. Sir, access control is controlling the movement of people, vehicle, and material when in and out the site, which can be done by people. Number 8. How do you control the crowd? Answer. Sir, first thing, I observe the crowd and communicate with them politely, but remain firm. I will pass the information to my supervisor and call for backup. If the crowd is out of control and it threatens the protection of people, property, and information,